If you're receiving a message, can't install Google Messages app, whenever you try to install this app on your Android smartphone from Google Play Store, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, can't install Google Messages. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and just open your Google Play Store. And from here, first make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to search for your Messages app. However, if you are already logged in but unable to install the app, then you need to go ahead and just tap on your profile icon up here. And from here, go down to settings. So if you go to settings here, you can see you have an option here for network preferences among the other options. So go look for network preferences and tap on it. And from here, choose the first option, app download preference. And then go ahead and make sure you select over any network. So by choosing this will ensure that you are able to install or download the Messages app via any network you are connected to. To save, tap on OK. So make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi or turn on your data for you to be able to install this app from Google Play Store. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself and not the Messages app. For this, we need to go ahead and find Google Play Store and then go to its app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see app info, or if you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access the app info page. And at this point, we want to go to storage here, and here you can see a breakdown of data stored on Google Play Store app. Of importance is this cache data. So when cache data accumulates, this might cause your app to malfunction, and because this is an important app, you might not be able to install apps using it. So if I go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then choose clear cache, now you will see if I just tap OK, this over 5.6 MB data that has been stored, it will be wiped. So I'll tap on OK and look at that. Now we no longer have cache data. So cache data are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects to enhance user experience. But when they accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. At this point now, go ahead and open now your Play Store. But before you open Play Store, you will need first to restart your smartphone. Once you have cleared the cache before you proceed to Play Store, then just search for Google Messages or Messages, just like that. And if I tap on search, so make sure it is this Google Messages, tap on it, and this time around, go ahead and tap on install. So for my case, I've already installed it, but for your case now, you should be able to install Google Messages app without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.